morning. Malugod po namin kayo binabati sa ating paglipad. Ang paglipad na ito ay pinunguna ni Kapitan Suzuki sa tulong ni unang opisyal Pasano. Tayo nilipad ng humigit kumulang 1 oras at 10 minuto at ang ating nakatakdang pagdating sa Maynila ay sa ganap na 5 minuto makalipas ang ikapito na umaga.
Jacob.
For the meantime, please direct your full attention to your cabin crew. We have Aya, Erin, and RP who will now demonstrate the safety features of these aircraft. Each of our seats is provided with a seatbelt to fasten push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift up buckle and pull free end to release. In case of a water landing, use your individual life vest found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slid the vest over the head. Take the tapes around the waist and push ends to buckle. Pull the tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, jerk inflation tags to inflate the vest. Manual